Hey gamers, let's make a bad decision. Today, I'm gonna attempt to cut my bangs. I never had bangs before, and I don't know how they'll look on me. But we're gonna do it anyway, so that's fine, it's fine. I looked some videos up on YouTube how to do this, and they didn't really inform me at all, so we're just gonna improvise. Let's get started. So the first thing we probably need to do is like get our part in the middle. Let me get this dirty as mirror. I already cut like these little pieces right here. But there really aren't bangs, and I really wanted like these Korean style beautiful wispy bangs, so we're gonna attempt that. I just need to be careful that I don't grab too much hair and I don't cut them too short. Let's try. In the videos they said like get a little triangle shape. Maybe my hair a little. I'm gonna focus for a second. Once I promised myself when I was younger, I'm never gonna cut my own bangs. We're breaking that promise right now. This isn't a neat triangle at all, so we're gonna try off camera first. I think I got the triangle right, so let's start cutting, I think. God, I really hope this is going to end well. Alright. Gonna do it like down my nose, I think. Maybe twist it a little. I actually got official hair cutting scissors. Fuck. Because I'm a professional. Just kidding. I wish. Okay, twist. Did it! Wow. Alright, let's see the damage. If I want to curl it, I think I need to leave it like longer. Okay, right now it looks pretty horrible. Maybe I like gotta snip it like this, so upright, what hairdressers always do. I'm gonna try that. I need to vacuum after this. Alright. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this and try to style it, but maybe I want like a little, because I almost look bald right here, so we're just gonna do a little wispy, you know. If this is gonna turn into a disaster, my mom will kill me. Alright. Now I gotta think. Okay, I did it. Let me style this. At least I can like push them back so no one will notice, I hope. me do that again. Nothing screams like I'm ending my teenage years like cutting your own bangs. This is atrocious. If you can notice, I'm also really good with styling my hair. Yeah, there we go. Okay, the tripod is gonna fall over any second. Whew, I'm already done with it. I think they're still a little too long. Like this? Maybe? Is this nice, or do I look like a 13-year-old trying to pose for their school picture? Tell me in the comments. I need to figure out how to style it, and I'll probably do that tomorrow because it's already really late. And I will post a beautiful picture of me right here as a result. So, thank you for joining this horrible train of bad decisions, and I'll see you next week. Bye!
Nice, Jasmine. Nu heb je ook een krulspel in gedaan. Of niet? Krult het gewoon omhoog nu?
Ja,
Oh, oké. Dus je hebt niet de dans steeds langer.
Ja.
Ik denk dat krult ook niet nodig is, want het plukjes kort.
Thanks.
Huh?
Jeez, thank you.